iPhone Screen Repair Philadelphia. Mr. Fix is a cell phone, tablet and computer repair shop based in Virginia and Pennsylvania states. We do all types of repair and have lots of positive feedback so far. We value our customers, so we always do our job in good faith. Mr. Fix specializes in the highest quality repair at the cheapest price. Fast service. Mr. Fix cell phone repair always values your time. We are able to do most repairs in 30 minutes or less. You are welcome to stay inside the store in our comfortable waiting area with water and magazines. Regardless of what brand of phone you use, from falling not insured by any one of them. And it happens quite often what the device screen mainly suffers from. Especially offensively when it happens to expensive production of Apple. Even more offensively if you break the screen of the brand new iPhone 7 smartphone. But doomsday from it doesn't come at all, especially if you timely address in the Repair Mr. Fix service. Your task consists in calming down and providing business to professionals. And our experts will execute operational replacement of the iPhone 7 screen and will return you your brand new smartphone to integrities and safety. For more information, please visit our website, www.iphonescreenrepairphiladelphia.com or contact us through phone, 215-800-0114. You can visit our office, 413 South 20th Street, Suite 1 Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, 19146. iPhone Screen Repair Philadelphia.